In one of the last videos, we saw that every mass defect in the universe is converted into a superfine state of matter. We may call it ether. In fact, all reactions and events which create mass defects in the universe act as a source of this superfine, a superthin form of matter. All active stars, all stellar collisions, all neutron star collisions, all supernovae explosions, and all other known and unknown events in the universe which create mass defects release this matter into space. This questions the validity of Einstein's mass-energy equivalence concept, and in reality, the change in the state of matter causes the release of nuclear energy. Please watch my video on how nuclear energy is released. This indicates that space is not empty, as generally believed today, but is filled with the above-stated matter. This has a huge significance in the understanding of the universe. Because of gravity, every massive body maintains a dense region of this matter around it, and these regions act as a high optical density region. When light passes through these regions, light speed gets slowed down and refracts, and bends. This explains the phenomena like starlight bending, gravitational lensing, etc. In short, contrary to general relativity, these phenomena are not because of the gravitational curvature of spacetime, but only the refractions of light. Now let's come to a black hole. When a body becomes supermassive and super dense, because of gravity it creates an extremely dense region of ether around it. The optical density of such a region will be so high that light speed will become zero. Light cannot travel or reflect in such a region. This creates a pure black region of space around a supermassive body. As the mass increases, the diameter of these dark regions also increases. At the same time, since the ether density decreases with the distance, the darkness also decreases with it. This creates a gradient region and light start to refract. Near the black hole, light refracts at large angles, and as the distance increases, this angle of refraction also decreases. I think this explains how a black hole forms. My book is coming soon and you will get more detailed descriptions from the book. Also watch New explanations for the precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit. New explanation for the S2 star's orbital behavior near the galactic center.